floating world, the light the bird sees, continues the conjuring of a world parallel to ours, emerging from a mix of the drawn, natural, handmade, and machine. The work focuses on an uncentered world, a world with no shadows or single point of view. These landscapes are composed of many moments and many times, their digitalness flattening and unifying the marks, compressing years of looking and drawing into one document. I am purposely making an object that is difficult to locate. Are they old? Are they new? Are they machine-made? Are they handmade? All artists attempt to describe their time. We underestimate how much we translate the whole world into human terms. The idea of day and night means nothing to the sun. Figures, trees, rainbow portals, a garden like a great petaled bird. These drawings chart my journey through a changing world, an attempt to see beyond my limited subjectivity and glimpse the light the bird sees.